calling me of the valley. You say you never ever leave me. No. Jesus today, Jesus tomorrow. What do you mean what you say?
I know you like the melodies, I know you like the song. You say you make my Jesus proud, yet your life is wrong. You've been singing, you've been dancing, you've been calling him your lover. For the last time that we checked, you were sleeping with another man.
You say when he calls, you come running. But you know in your heart, you just lying. Oh, it's time to get rid of the melodies and let us face reality, my brother.
Do you mean what you say? Don't you see how you are losing God for likes? Your mouth is always full, but your prayer life has died. You are capturing Jesus, but you're dressing like the one. It's your promise keeper, but you never made it God.
You say when he calls, you come running. But the last time that we checked, you're not coming. No, you're a reckless lover, but you know what's over. Say, my brother, do you mean what you say? No,
You call it the lily of the valley. You say you never ever leave me.
Jesus today, Jesus tomorrow. What do you mean what you say? No,
You call it the lily of the valley. You say you never ever leave me.
Jesus today, Jesus tomorrow. What do you mean what you say? Do you mean? Leave me alone. See, don't you see that we